in the price. So there's not much one can do at this point in time.
Moving on, speaking on the sidelines of the India Steel Conclave 2025, my colleague Sajid spoke to the Steel Secretary Sandeep Pondrek. He talked about the road ahead for the India's steel sector. Listen into that slice of the conversation.
We're in a very exciting times globally as well as domestically, because the kind of targets which Prime Minister has set for the industry is also a big challenge in terms of how to scale it up to that level. How do you see the Indian production and the capabilities going from 2025 to say 2030 and then to 2047?
So basically, as you know, that India is the only major economy where consumption is growing very fast. And that is primarily because, number one, the economy is growing fast. Secondly, that the government is pushing a lot on the infrastructure. Private sector development is also taking place. So there's another factor that we have just crossed about 100 kg per capita benchmark. And it has been seen that when a country is around 100 kg, then the elasticity of steel demand with respect to GDP growth, it goes up. So right now, if you see the data, our elasticity has been above 1.5 for last 2-3 years. So basically, the consumption is expected to grow. Now, to match that consumption, we have to increase the capacity. In last year alone, we have added about 21 million ton of capacity in the country. From 179, we have reached 200 million tons. If you see in last few years, we have doubled our capacity from 100 to 200 million ton in a period of about 6-7 years. What is expected is, if you take into account the plans of ISPs like Jindals or Tatas or SAIL, they have ambitious plans. About 30 million ton is already under implementation. Another 50 million ton is under planning. And then the secondary steel sector is also growing. So our expectation is that by 2030, we should definitely cross 300 million tons. That is, we should add up about 100 million tons in next 6 years.